Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a very cold and dark 2024. I have my dad's BMW Z4. It's been on the channel quite regularly. Done a load of work a couple of years back, so if you haven't seen that, click the link up here and it'll take you to the playlist of this Z4. But today I've had to replace the battery on the car. So I've had a bit of a starting issue lately and the battery's been replaced, and now I've got a very, very frustrating thing we need to sort. So let's get into it. So we're in the cockpit and well, this. So this is the time, and if I go through the sort of option menu here and go through, I can see how much miles I've got left and my current miles per hour, I guess, and this is my clock. Pretty annoying because well, I can't actually see what the time is. I have no idea how late I am home, so I need to reset the clock. So today we're going to reset the clock on this BMW. Okay, a bit more light in here, that's better. What we're going to do is turn the engine off. We don't need that on, we just need the ignition on. So there is a button here that says clock, and you can press that and it brings up the clock. But whatever you do on here, it then reverts you back to the options. So I got a bit stumped by this. We have on the edge of the indicator stalk, which is an optional extra on BMWs, there's a button that says BC. Now BC, when you press it, it goes through your option menu. So I'm going to go through until I get back to the clock. Now you have these two buttons here in the middle. One says SR, which I guess is service reset, and the other one is a clock. So I'll press it and go through, and I don't quite know how. Let's go SR, there we go. So it's currently 6:15. So the SR button goes through and changes the time. The clock button reverts through. Once I'm done, I can press 6:15, and then once it's set on here using these buttons, it's then also set on the radio. So there we have it. Quick and easy, how to reset the clock on a BMW. This is the Z4 model, but other BMWs are very similar. And I think once you've got it sussed for one, you're pretty much set for life. So thanks so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this short video, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below. If you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. I have loads of content in the pipeline, more now than I thought I'd have this time last week, but more on that to follow. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy setting that clock, and I will see you guys very soon.